Good morning again, dear students. It is a second part of the lesson how Mowgli joined the pack. Take a page number 42. Okay, just I will read it. But the law of jungle forbade every beast to kill and eat man because man killing led to retaliatory hunting of wild animals and man eating made beast manky and toothless. Shere Khan was howling menacingly because he had burned his feet by jumping at a woodcutter's campfire. Tabaki was with him. But the law of jungle, there is a law in also jungle. The law of jungle forbade means prevent. The law of jungle prevent every beast means wild animal, every wild animal to kill and eat man. There is a strict rules. The animals they will not kill any of the man or human being. That is a law in jungle. They can kill any other animals, but they have no power to kill any human being. That is a law in jungle. The law of jungle forbade every beast to kill and eat men because the man killing led to retaliatory hunting of wild animals and man eating made beast mangy and toothless. If any animal will kill the man and the man eating, that will destroy their teeth. That is this answer for a question, and study underline these sentences and you should study it. Shere Khan was howling menacingly. Menacingly means danger because he got bared his feet. Why did Shere Khan cry? The Shere Khan, the tiger, he was crying because he jumping at the woodcutter's campfire. That's the reason. Tabaki was with him. Soon the bushes rusted a little, and Father Wolf saw in front of him a naked brown baby who would just walk. Soon the bushes means the small plants, rusted a little, make a sound like that. And the Father Wolf saw in front of him a naked brown baby, a brown colored baby, naked. Naked means without any dress, who would just walk, and he is trying to walking. He looked up into Father's wolf, the brown boy. He looked up at the Father's wolf face and laughed. Is that a man's cup? Said Mother Wolf said. Is that a man's cup, man's child? I have never seen one. Bring it here. Actually, I did not see before him. So take him here. Bring him in Silana. Bring it here. The father pushed the little baby towards the four cups. The four cups, they are also sitting inside of the cave. The father pushed the boy, Mowgli. His name is actually Mowgli. Pushed the Mowgli to the four cups. Father and Mother Wolves were delighted to see him sitting fearlessly with their cups and sharing a meal with them. The father and Mother Wolf, they were delighted. Delighted means after that incident they are more delighted. Delighted means we are very happy. And they see now the small child Mowgli is sitting with the four cups for Wolf's children, and they also sharing the meal. Delighted to see him sitting fearlessly with their cups and sharing a meal with them. Then at that very moment, Shere Khan entered the cave with Tabaki and demanded the little baby ask his quarry. At that moment, Shere Khan entered there and he demanded that the little baby was his quarry. He means is a hunting animal. The wolves were free people. Said Father Wolf. They make orders from the head of the pack and not from my stripped cattle killer. The man's cup is always to kill if he choose. The Father Wolf said to the Shere Khan, it is our right. We are hearing the orders from the leader, and we will not hear and we will not obey your words. When Shere Khan insisted on getting the baby, asked his rightful quarry, mother wolf sprang forward. Sprang means jumped. When Sher Khan instead persuaded to getting the baby, Sher Khan tried to get that baby because that baby, the Mowgli asked his prey. Prey means hunting animal. And we shall have one. We shall not be killed. We shall not be killed. We shall leave to run and hunt with the pack. And in the end, look you hunter of little naked cubs. He shall hunt you. Now go away, and you will go back lamer than you came into the world. The father wolf and mother wolf said to the Sher Khan, now just go from this place, otherwise I will destroy your other leg also. Actually, since birth you have a problem in your one leg, you are very handicapped. If you stay here, if you demand for the little baby, the next leg also we will destroy. So go from this place. So Sher Khan did not like to stand up against the furious mother wolf in her cave and went away saying, Sher Khan did not like to stand up against the furious, Furious, furious means very angry mother wolf in her cave and went away saying, each dog barks in his own yard, and we will see what the party council will say to this fostering of a man's cub. Foster means taking care of another child. The cup is mine, and to my teeth he will come in the end. The each dog barks in his own yard. Each dog. The Sher Khan said to each dog, every animal, because these cubs and this father or mother or jackal, they are standing in their own house. So they showed their power because they are standing in front of their house, their cave. So the Sher Khan said to them, each dog barks in his own nest. It's a proverb also. And he will see what the packing council. So I will go to the council packet, to the meeting. I will give a complaint against you in the packing council, and they will decide that this is me, the child of this man, and he was my hunting animal. Next paragraph. The law of jungle laid it down clearly that a wolf might leave away from the pack after his marriage. Another law of jungle. The law of jungle laid it down clearly that a wolf might leave away from the pack after his marriage. After getting the marriage, one wolf, he will go out from the pack. That is a law of jungle. But he must bring his cubs to the pack council in order to introduce them to the other wolves. Then when the meeting comes, after the marriage, they should bring their cubs, they should bring their children in front of the other members of the meeting. But he must bring his cubs to the pack council in order to introduce them to the other wolves. After that introduction, the cubs were free to run wherever they killed, wherever they liked. And until they had killed their first buck, no excuse was expected if a grown-up wolf killed one of them. So condition is that after the introduction of the meeting, they can go alone, they can go for the hunting, or they can kill the animal. First, they should kill one buck. That's the one criteria. Then others will approve him. The last paragraph. Father wolf therefore took the cubs and Mowgli to the pack council meeting held on the hilltop under the chairmanship of Akela, a Loni wolf. Next day there was a meeting. The meeting was conducted under the presidencyship or the chairmanship of Akela. Akela is a Loni wolf, and Akela is the leader of that pack council. It was conducted in the hilltop, the top of that hill mountain. He pushed Mowgli into the center where he sat laughing and playing with the pebbles. Pebbles means the stones. And there he pushed the Mowgli in front of the Akela, in front of the Loni, in front of the meeting, members of the meeting. He is sitting there and he playing with the pebbles means small stones. The Balu, the brown bear, another name of the animal bear name is Balu. Balu, the brown bear, and who taught the law of the jungle of the wool cubs, and Bagheera, the black panther, spoke for Mowgli and urged the Paki council to permit him to run and hunt with the pack. And here other animals, especially the Balu, one bear and one black panther or Bagheera, they also supported Mowgli to join with the wolf's pack. They supported. Bagheera also proposed to buy Mowgli's life for the price of newly killed bull, and everyone accepted his proposal. And he bought that boy Mowgli just as a price for one newly killed bull, and he handed over the newly killed bull just as a price for the Mowgli. Sher Khan rode still in the night, for he was very angry. At that time, Sher Khan was very angry because the meeting decided to take the Mowgli to with the pack of wolves. Now Sher Khan rode still in the night, for he was very angry that Mowgli had not been handed over to him, because he did not get the Mowgli. So that's the reason he was very angry. Your Orwell, said Bagheera, for the time will come when this naked thing will make you roar to another tune, for I know nothing of man. Very simple. It was well done, said Akela. Akela said it was well done. Men and their cubs are very wise. He may be a help in times. The Akela, the leader of the wolf pack, the lonely wolf, said that the man and his companions and other human beings, they are very wise. That if we allow join Mowgli to our group, that will be very helpful in our future. It was well done, said Akela. Men and their cubs are very wise. He may be a help in time. And that is how Mowgli entered the Sioni wolf pack for the price of a bull and a Balu's wood bird. This is the reason how Mowgli joined the pack. How Mowgli joined the pack at a meeting. In that meeting, one bear Balu supported Balu's good bird, and also Balu was given one just as a price. Animal bull, price of a bull, a killed bull animal, and Balu's good bird, and in that way Mowgli joined the pack. This is a explanation of the story. 2 or 3 times read the story you alone, and if you have any doubt, number of word meanings are also available in the book, and check your book. And again, if you have any doubt, check you can use one dictionary to find out the meaning. 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times read the lessons again and again. Reading is also very helpful to improve your English efficiency and study the maximum word meaning. Within the lessons, I will give some important work also. You can do the work in your fair copy. Okay. Thanks to all. Next lesson we will meet again. Okay.